Question 26 says the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with oil filled in space between the plates is 40 microfarad. If oil is removed, then the capacitance becomes 5 microfarad. The dielectric constant of the oil is. The students, we must know that the capacitance with a dielectric constant K is given as K multiplied by the capacitance in air, that is Kc0. As per the question, with oil the capacitance is 40. So we can write down that 40 is equal to the dielectric constant K. Let us assume that the dielectric constant is K multiplied by the capacitance in air, that is 5. So from this equation we can write down that K will be equal to 40 by 5 and this will give us a value of 8. The dielectric constant has no units and the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Now let us move to the question number 27. Question 27 says the daily intake of a human adult is nearly 10 raised to power 7 joules. Its value in kilocalorie will be approximately, so 2400 kilocalories, 2000 kilocalories, 1200 kilocalories or 10,000 kilocalories. Now let us proceed and solve this question. Dear students, the energy in joules is related to the energy in calories as joule is equal to calories into 4.2. So the number of calories will be equal to 10 raised to power 7 joules divided by 4.2 and this will be equal to 2.4 into 10 raised to power 6 or 2.4 into 10 raised to power 3 kilocalories. We can further write down this to be equal to 2400 kilocalories, meaning for this question the correct answer, dear students, should be option number 1. Now let us move to the question number 28. In question 28, it says that the depletion width of a PN junction can be increased by first, decreasing doping concentration, second, reverse biasing, third, forward biasing, or fourth option which says both 1 and 2. The student depletion width increases on decreasing the doping concentration. So if we decrease the doping concentration, the depletion width increases. It also increases when we apply the reverse biased. So in case of reverse biasing as well, the depletion width increases, and hence for this question, dear students, the correct answer is option number 4. Now let us move to the question number 29. In question 29, it says water is used as a coolant because first, it has a lower density, second, it is easily available, third, it has low specific heat, or fourth, it has a high specific heat. Dear students, the purpose of coolant is to absorb the excess heat that is generated in a particular nuclear reaction or for that matter in a particular process. The coolant should have a high specific heat so as to make sure that even after absorbing the heat, its temperature does not rise appreciably. Therefore, as the water has a high specific heat, it is used as a coolant, and therefore for this question the correct answer turns out to be option number 4. Now let us move to the question number 30. In question 30, a logic gate circuit is given to us and we have to write down the truth table. So there are 3 NAND gates and there is one NOR gate. The Boolean expression y can be written as a bar dot b bar, that is the double bar on top, and this will be equal to a bar dot b bar, and this will be equal to a plus b bar. So this is effectively a NOR gate. The truth table of NOR gate can be written as, if we write down a, b and y, for a0, b0 this will be 1, for a0, b1 this will be 0, for a1, b0 this will be 0, and for a1, b1 this will be 0. As we can see clearly that the only option matching with this is the option number 2, and hence for this question the correct answer is option number 2. Now let us move to the question number 31.